Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start chapter number 7, financial arithmetic. Financial mean any value, any amount related to money. That is financial arithmetic. We will solve their questions related to money. The topic of today's discussion is unitary method. What is unitary method? Unitary method is used to find the value attached to individual objects and to determine the value of group of objects. In this method, first of all, we will find the value single object, and then by this single object cost, we will find the cost of value of a group of objects, mean to say many objects. So in exercise number 7a, we will do unitary method. Now we are doing exercise number 7a. Question number 1. Question number 1 is written as: if a bag containing 12 kg of basmati rice sells at rupees 492, find the cost of 2 kg of rice. The cost of 12 kg of rice is 492. We will find the cost of 2 kg of rice. For this, we will use the unitary method. Unitary method tells us that first of all we should find the value of our individual objects. Mean to say, first of all we will find the cost of 1 kg. Then we will find the cost of 2 kg. So cost of 12 kg rice is 492 given, and cost of 2 kg rice we will find. So by using unitary method, we will find the cost of 1 kg rice, mean to say individual 1 kg. How to find it? We will divide this value by this, mean to say this value will be divided in value of this side. 492 divided by 12. So when we will divide 12 for the 48, there is 1 and 12 will be there. 12 on the 12, the answer is 42. It means the cost of 1 kg rice is 42 rupees. So cost of 2 kg rice will be 2 multiplied by 41, because we know that the price of 1 kg is this. To find the price of 2 kg, we have to multiply with this value. 2 multiply 41, the answer is 82. So the cost of 2 kg rice is 82. Now question number 6 is written as: if the Shalimar Express train from A reached B 210 km away in 2 hours and 20 minutes, how much longer will it take to reach C and other 360 km farther? You have noted that their distance is given 2 times and time is given 1 time. It means we have to find the second time. Distance is 210 km, first distance, and second distance is 360. First time is 2 hours, second time we will find. So we will write train covers 210 km distance and time. The time is 2 hours and 20 minutes. The parameter which is repeating 2 times, that will be written in left side, and the parameter that is repeating not repeating, that is given 1 time, that will be written on right side. Train covers 210 km distance in time, 2 hours and 20 minutes. 2 hours mean 2 multiply 60. First of all, we will change it into minutes, because there is 2 hours and 20 minutes. So we have to make a single unit. So 2 will be multiplied with 60, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 260 is 120 plus 20. 120 plus 20 is equal to 140 minutes. It means train covers 210 kilometers in 140 minutes. Train covers 360 kilometer distance in time. We have to find it. So train will cover 1 kilometer in time. First of all, we have to find individual value by using unitary method. So we will find the distance covered in 1 kilometer. Train will cover 1 kilometer in time. That will be 140 divided by this value. This value is divided by this. So 140 will be in numerator and 210 will be denominator. 140 over 210, that will be equal to 2 by 3. How? This 0 is cancelled with this 0, and this is 14, this is 21. These two are divisible by 7. 7 2 the 14 and 7 3 the 21. The answer is 2 by 3 of 1 kilometer. So we will find the train will cover 360 kilometer in time. To find time in 360 kilometer, we will multiply with 360. 360 multiply 2 by 3. This 3 is cancelling with this. 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 0 will be as it is. That is 120 and that is 2. 120 multiply 2 is equal to 220 minutes. And we know 220 minutes in hour will be 240 will be divided by 60 because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 240 minutes, 240 by 60 is equal to 4 hours. It means train required 4 hours to cover the 360 kilometer. That was our today's topic. You will write the question number 2 as homework. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.